Hey, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix a stained ceiling tile in your home or business right after this. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Guy Purcella. I'm a 35-year drywall professional, having owned my own business of Mr. Patch Drywall for 15 years. And I'm here to pass on tips and tricks for you guys to save you money, give you pride in your workmanship, and let you do it yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it right. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and click on that subscribe button. It's up to you. But if you like them, click that, and be sure and click that bell icon or you'll never know when I put one out. The bell icon is what tells you each time we put out a new video. So if this isn't bowed and it isn't falling apart and it's not damaged to the point where you got to replace it, I found this fantastic product right here that did an amazing job. I was able to fix about 20 of these without taking them down on a different section, and when it was done you couldn't tell. So I'm going to demonstrate it. It's this product right here called Zinsser's Covers Up, and there's a picture of it on the screen here, and if I can find this on Amazon, I'll put a link to it in the description down below. There's other ones that say they cover up ceiling tiles, but honestly, after using this, I wouldn't try them just because this blew me away how well it worked. So let's go ahead and just do a little bit more of this. I'm going to leave a little bit undone, just a little, so we can see the difference. I can tell you that I've already done a little bit, but it covers it up that well. So follow the directions on the can and be sure and shake it really well, because you've got to make sure those pigments are shook up.
Let's see, the directions say shake well for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, just kidding.
Okay, this one's meant to spray up because it's for ceilings. That's where the water damage occurs, of course. So I think I've got enough ventilation here. I'd recommend wearing a mask, take proper safety procedures. We just left that little corner. Now while it's wet, you'll be able to see it because it's going to have that shine. You can see it reflecting there. So I'm going to dry this and show you what it looked like. Okay, it's pretty much dry, so you can see the hint of the corner we did there. And I think there might be a tiny bit of shine left. I guarantee it goes away, but I may be wrong too. I thought I saw it for a second, but you can see now that blends in perfectly. You've got one repaired tile and you can't tell the difference. But let me show you one more thing. I broke out one of these brand new ceiling tiles. This is the ones we put back up, and this is why we did it. You can see they didn't match, so we couldn't patch them in. I marked this corner with this clip. I sprayed this corner with that. Even on a brand new tile, you can't see the difference. If you like quick and to the point videos on drywall, check out my new channel called 3-Minute Drywall School. I'll see you there. So they've got that paint formulation down perfectly, the right sheen, which is pretty much none, and that'll save you a lot of money at about $5 a can. I thank you for watching. If you would, please share this on your social media, and most importantly, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care, everybody.